my goodness, my video file corrupted. My video file corrupted. Hooray, hooray, hooray. All those games I played. Oh my goodness, all that footage, man. All that great footage I got. Oh my goodness, great, bro. I love this, man. Alright, so basically what happened is I faced Mayor Key, the one I won 3-1, and then I faced Grenade 2-2, and then the Super Cup, the Super Cup, the most rigged Super Cup I've ever played in my life. This was so rigged for Real de Madrid, bro. This was so rigged. It was like, ooh, bro, ooh, my reaction, bro. So rigged, bro. Alright, but we continue. You know, we okay, we gotta face these guys. We're gonna put Luke to go in. We're gonna put Baldi in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. We'll sim this. We should win. They're 18th place. We're okay. Nice. Luke the goes and the Young scored. Oh, I'm so mad, bro. Ooh, I'm so mad. You have no idea how mad I am. Ooh. Oh, I'm so freaking Real Madrid. You guys can go suck, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also this. Oh, it was in the video file, but it corrupted. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, we got an offer from Belgium, but I'm looking for something a little bit more spicy, you know? A little bit more spicy for this World Cup that comes up, you know? We should be able to win. I mean, they're 14th, we're 2nd. Nice, nice. Alright, so far, all we got left is the Europa League, La Liga, and the Copa de Spain. Copa de España. That's all we got left, man. That's no. I'm sorry, if we lose to Celta, then I'm gonna cry for real this time. Whew. Okay, 2-1. Just barely. Pedri, the golden boy, saves us. Alright, we're playing for the Copa de España. And, yeah. Let's curl it in. Oof, curl it in, brother. Curl it in. Oof, oof. Horrible mistake, horrible mistake. That's clean, ref. Hooray! That's not a foul, ref. That's not even a foul. Please, Torres. Oh my gosh. Ooh, bro. Dude. Yeah! Let's go! Just like that, we make it to the quarterfinals. Yeah! Alright. Nice and quick. You know, if we get knocked out, I'm... Okay, nice and easy. 3-0. 3-0, nice. Nice, we make it to semis. Very nice. 3 million. That's pretty good, but, I mean, it's Baldi. He's good. He's staying. Iceland. Yeah, no. I'm sorry. I'll keep Belgium in mind. March 11th. Ooh. Here we go. I swear, if my audio corrupts once more, man, I'm so done. Ref, come on, pero vos no sabes, como tú no sabes, ciao bello, como stai? Hand, ref, come on, pero obrigado se doi, pero yo no falo brasileño, português. Come on, man. Look at this, bangers. This is a goal right here. That was close. Come on. We all know you're going, bro. We all know you're going right. Come on! Nice. Pick it up! What are you? Why would you kick it out? Come on! Whoa! What are you doing? Come on! Gavi! No! Oh no! Yeah, this is rigged, bro. This